Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a delicious dessert for you all. I'm gonna make peach cobbler. Yes, so in my bowl right here I've got 4 cups of peach. You can always use fresh peach. These are all of my spices. Here I have 1 teaspoon of my cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon of allspice. Brown sugar, that's 1 cup. Half cup of my granulated sugar, self-raising flour, and this is just over 3 cups, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and 2 cups of my milk, some granulated sugar, and that's 1 cup, 1/4 cup of melted butter, and this is cornstarch, 1 tablespoon. Guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. I'm telling you, this recipe right here is gonna be super delicious. So guys, stay tuned and thank you all. So guys, I'm gonna start off by adding my sugar and all my spices to my peach, because I'm gonna put it to a boil. So you want to make sure that you drain off, you know, some of the excess water from the can of your peach. Okay, so now I'm gonna add my brown sugar first, just like so. My granulated sugar, then I'm just gonna blend all my spices. Just make sure that it is all combined. I'm not gonna add all of it, I'm gonna add just some. Okay, I'm gonna add it just like so. So I'll leave back this amount. Then I'm gonna add my vanilla and just a pinch of salt. So guys, this is totally optional, but I'm just gonna add just a pinch of ginger powder, and it's just gonna add just a nice flavor. And now I'm gonna add my cornstarch, just like so. So now I'm just gonna take my spoon right here and just mix it all in, so everything will all combine. I'm telling you, it smells so good, so good guys. It smells amazing. So that's done. So guys, here I have my pot on my stove, and my stove is on a medium heat. Okay, so now I'm gonna add my peach. Just like so. They look amazing. And I'm just gonna leave it, guys, for it to come to a simmer for at least 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, yes. And guys, that's the reason why I add my cornstarch, because the cornstarch is just gonna thicken it up. I'm not gonna cover my pot. Okay, you just want to leave it uncovered. So now I'm gonna do my wet ingredients. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna add my eggs into my milk like so. I'm gonna give it a stir, and I'm also gonna add my sugar, and I'm also gonna add some of my vanilla, at least 1 teaspoon, and my melted butter. That's done. So this is my dry ingredients right here, as you can see. So I'm gonna add at least 1/2 teaspoon of my salt onto my flour. Then I'm gonna add all my remaining spices. Then I'm just gonna blend it all in. That's done. And now I'm just gonna take my time and just add my wet ingredients onto my flour. You don't want to add it at the same time. Just take your time. Yeah. And guys, if it wants any more milk, you can always add some more milk, okay? Just to loosen it up if it's too thick. Guys, it is finished, and this is exactly how you want it. You don't want it to be too thick, you want it to be runny, okay? That's perfect. This is the bowl that I'm gonna bake my peach cobbler in. So what I did, I add at least 1/4 cup of my butter. You want to use unsalted butter, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it in my oven just for it to melt for at least 4 minutes. Yes. Make sure that your oven is preheated, okay? Yeah, stay tuned. So guys, as you can see, my peach has come to a boil and it is nice and thick, and that's exactly what you want. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn my stove off, okay? I'm telling you, I taste some and it tastes absolutely delicious. So good. So guys, my butter is all melted, as you can see. So now I'm gonna add my butter. You wanna add it like so. Yeah, just like so. And you don't want to mix it or anything, okay? And now I'm gonna add my peach. Just like so. Guys, I cannot wait to eat this, guys. So guys, I have some more of my butter leaf back, and what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add it on top like so. Yeah. In my glass bowl right here, I've got at least 1 tablespoon of my brown soft sugar, and I also add 1 teaspoon of my cinnamon powder, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna mix it all in, just like so. Just try and press on it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna sprinkle it on top, just like so. And I'm gonna put it in my oven, guys, for at least 45 to 50 minutes, okay? And 180 degrees Celsius. Yeah, that's it, that's done. So guys, my peach cobbler is all finished, and this is what it look like. I'm telling you guys, it came out perfect. It looking super delicious. I cannot wait for you guys to try this recipe. You all are gonna enjoy it. I mean, just look at it. And honestly, it is my first time making it, and I'm so pleased with myself, guys. It came out perfect. Don't forget, guys, to give me a thumbs up, share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. Thank you all. Guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna plate it up for you all and tell you what this looks like. I'm telling you, this recipe right here is a must try. It came out perfect. As you can see on the top is nice and crispy, and that's exactly how you want it. You can see the cinnamon powder with the sugar. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to dig in, guys. I'm gonna serve it with some vanilla ice cream. Yes, you hear that, guys? Oh my goodness, it came out so good. Look at that. So good, guys. Super delicious. So yummy. So now, guys, as I can see, I'm just plating it all up. I'm telling you, it looking so good. Guys, if you do try this recipe, don't forget to comment below and tell me what it's like. Share it to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. I'm gonna serve it with some vanilla ice cream, as I said. So guys, stay tuned. So now I'm just adding my vanilla ice cream. Guys, I'm telling you, it tastes absolutely delicious. This is one of the best recipe I ever have in a while. It is so good. I love this recipe so much. You all are gonna enjoy it. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye guys, much love. Super delicious. So good.